station is Hooton. Next station is Albury.
So, I met my friend Matt at Hooton, and this is us travelling through the Tomb Raider section, I call it, because it reminds me of the video game, along the Wirral Way in Neston. And what we're going to do is we're going to join the Wirral Way, heading towards Chester, because it splits off into two directions. So I like this particular route that we're going on, because along this route there's a bit of variety of what to do. We can go to a pub called the Harpin Cafe. There's a place called Net's Cafe, which is very nice. And you can put your bike in there. It's very, very popular with cyclists, Net's Cafe. And then as well as that, one of my favourite places coming up is the Boardwalks. I do like the Boardwalks. It's a lovely place. So anyway, yeah, we're cycling along. This is the bit that joins up the Wirral Way to down towards where the Harpin pub is, Net's Cafe and the Boardwalks. And the great thing about it is when we get down there, as you can see here now, on the right you've got the view of Wales on your right hand side, and also as you can see the weather is really nice today. It was 18 degrees here at this point, and the clouds are clearing, and the sky was getting blue. We had some lovely weather. So just round here now, we're down by Williston. Burton Mere is the place it's called, and at Burton Mere they've got a cafe called Nets, and we thought we'll stop off here, we'll get something to eat, and yeah, and it's very, very cycle friendly, so we recommend this highly if you're a cyclist on the Wirral. So here we are. This is my favourite bit. This is the Boardwalks. I don't know what it is about this place. I just really like it, because you are, in a reasonably populated place, the Wirral, but this just feels like you're in the middle of the country. Absolutely love it. And I just love the sound of the Boardwalks as well. And the fact that, you're just in open space. And it's really surreal. Yeah, one of my favourite spots. And in the summer, it's just lovely. So we joined the River Dee here, and my suggestion for anyone who cycles along here, it's quite a long ride, it's very exposed when you go along the bank of the River Dee. There is another cycle route that parallels this, and it's called the Chester Greenway. If it's windy, I would definitely go along the Chester Greenway, but if the wind's behind you heading towards Chester, then this is a great option, because with it being so exposed, it just pushes you along. It's lovely, and it's nice to see the wildlife, see the birds, the herons, and in some times of the year the fields are full of yellow flowers. Beautiful place to go, and it takes you straight into the heart of Chester. So yeah, it's something that I recommend to do, definitely when the wind is behind you. So this is the promenade that leads you straight into Chester. It's quite nice this. This is pretty much traffic free the whole of this journey so far. And I like the way that this just leads you into Chester Racecourse. So there's an entrance from here now, there, and this takes you straight into the racecourse. You can go around the racecourse, and that brings you into the city centre. It's a nice little ride, and we decided to try the drone out here and have a little play with the new drone. We're just getting the hangs of it, learning how to use it, and it was quite a windy day today, so it was struggling to stay in one place. But we'll get the hang of it in time.
Yeah, I don't know.
So we had some great fun with the drone. It was quite windy. There's a couple of times where the drone's supposed to fly in front of you and film back, and we had to brake a few times because the wind was quite high. But we had a good laugh having a play with that, and it's really incredible the way it just lands back on your hand. So now we're heading for something to eat. We're going to Wetherspoons. This is around about 5 o'clock now. So we're going to Wetherspoons because again there you can put your bike right next to where you're having something to eat, so your bike's nice and safe. And we got ourselves a hearty lunch, a really nice hearty lunch. So then after that we thought, you know what, we can keep going because we felt energised by that. So we decided to carry on the journey, so we hit the canal. So when we get to Chester, there's a little roundabout here. If you just go down the side of this lockkeeper's building by the side of the canal, that takes you to the canal, and if you turn left at this bridge, there's a canal that takes you to Ellesmere Port. So that's another 12 miles on the journey. I think we did about 30 miles that day, something like that. Anyway, it was a nice day. We were very grateful for the good weather. So as you're going along this canal, just a little bit of advice. This part, the first part, it's nice and smooth. It's really good. But as the canal goes on halfway past halfway point, it does get a little bit rough with all the tree roots and everything. So I wouldn't recommend the road bike along here. But I have seen people going along here on road bikes, but they're braver than I am. Because I had 45 tyres and I felt like I was having my bones shaking. But it's a nice route. It's really pretty, and it takes you straight to the train station, and then we got our train back home. It was a lovely day out for me and Matt. We had a great time.